Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks. Knew that ass was real when I hit it, bounce back. You ain't getting shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little wig update on this unit that I made probably about a month ago or so now. I did an update video on my previous Wondess Hair wig that I made, you know, with the little highlights and whatnot. So we had to give this one some time, give it a little wear and tear and see how it was doing. But we're back about a month in, and she's still good. She's still holding her color. She's been washed a couple times. She is still soft. She's still pretty. She's still flowy. She still does everything I need her to do. And this is a closure unit. So yeah, she's just holding up really well. She looks really good. Her color in the back, not that, I don't know if that really has anything to do with the hair per se or just the color that I use, but I really like how her hair how the color faded in the back. It's more of like this a teal and light blue mix back here. Like, I really am feeling it. But yeah, she's super soft. She still moves and does everything I need her to do. She doesn't shed. Well, she sheds like normal. Let me not say doesn't, because people be taking stuff to absolutes. But she said she sheds a normal amount, and that's only when I like get to playing with her or styling her. But like just normal wear and whateverness, she's, oh god, is good. Like, she's good. She's holding up. She still holds styling. When I do style her, all I did was do a little couple bumps and whatnot in it today. Some little soft looking waves. She holds really well when I spray her with my favorite hairspray, which is the Ion Keratin, like flexible hairspray. It's not really super grippy. I don't really like putting a whole bunch of product in my hair because I feel like that just adds more wear and tear on your hair. So I try to put as little product as possible. So I'm very happy with how she's been holding up. I haven't had to re-glue any tracks. Like I said, I did use the hot glue gun method to create this unit, and she's just lit. Like, I just wanted to give you a quick little update on her and everything. Like, I'm just really feeling her, and even after all that she's been through. I'm just looking at her color right now. So yeah, that is this unit. So yeah, we might be doing these little updates more because I know you guys, everybody's not like me and you switch your hair all the time. You want to know how hair like wears and feels and grooves and moves. I do work out with this unit. The color doesn't bleed on me, so I feel like the hair just really holds color really well. I will say that. She doesn't give me any issues. Like some units, she doesn't mat up on me. She's really easy to brush out if I do like style her like with some tight curls or something like that. She's just really easy to manage. So that is all I have to say about this little wig update on these Wondess bundles. And these were straight bundles, so like I said, they still hold a curl really nicely, especially with hairspray. A little bit of hairspray, don't need too much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next one. Stay true.
Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Boy, I've been broke as hell. Catch the check and bounce back. D-Town LAX, every week I bounce back.